Hello everyone and welcome back to another update. This one is about adding lights, doors and animations. Let's get into it. So this week I implemented lights into the game and it was clearly the biggest time consumer without any doubt. It took me days to figure out how it's done. Of course, there are a lot of different ways to do lights in a game, depending on what type of light they are. Such as, is it a 2D light, 3D light, is it a spotlight, does it cast shadow, is it directional? You name it, there are a lot of different types and ways to approach this. I will just show you guys how I did my current lights with my awesome paint skills. So when you normally render to the screen, there is no side steps. But with lights, I had to learn about something called FBOs, frame buffer objects, which are, simply put, a certain amount of memory in the device that you can draw to and work with. And from these FBOs, I can get a texture to use. So to draw lights, I created one FBO and used that one to draw everything I needed to be affected by the lights. Then I created another FBO, and on this one I first set the background light, and after that I looped through all the lights I have and drew them onto this texture. What I end up with is two textures, one for the game stuff and the second is for the lights. Then I take these two textures and put them together in the main shader that will multiply them and draw the result onto the device screen. This is how the game would look with lights, and this is how the game would look without lights. Let's go into GIMP for a second and I'll show you how it works. Alright, here I have an old screenshot from one of my first games. I will use this as an example. Normally the game would look like this, and if I were to add lights to it, I need a second texture. So let's add a second texture. On this texture, first of all, I need to set the ambient light. And once that's been done, I can add a few lights to it. Let's add just 2 here, 3, alright. And then I take these two textures together and then multiply them in the shader. And the end result looks like this. Of course, this can also be improved as much as you want. Different sizes, different colors, how strong, etc. What type of ambient light. But yeah, this is the basics behind my current lights in the game. Next topic on the list is doors. And I needed a way of leaving the level and also completing it. So doors seemed like the natural thing to go, and if you're at the door and you do not have the key that goes with it, it just says locked. But if you go over and get the key, let's do it right here, and the enemy won't be able to kill us because we don't take any damage. I disable it for debugging purposes right now. But if you have the key and then you go up to the door, close enough, the door opens with a small animation and it leads you to the level completed scene. And here you have 3 options. You can replay the level if you wish to attain a higher score, or you can hit the main menu, or you can click the next button, or the next level button, which we will do and check it out. How it looks is just very basic, it's simple, and it will change later. I just need it to work, the functions, they need to work. But yeah, let's go into the next level and see what we got. I also added some keyboard inputs for jumping and also attacking with the player, which simplifies demonstrating in the emulator a lot. And of course you already seen the animations for the lights, but then we also have this cute little red-eyed guy in the wall, which is a nice feature to have. Doesn't do anything, it's just for the background. It looks nice, I think. And of course the doors are slightly animated. More animations will come and more objects, there will be a lot more. But yeah, they works for now and it's pretty good. That pretty much sums up this week of game development. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe if you wish to support the channel. Until the next video guys, have a great day and take care. Bye.